All right, so this is express offers. All you need to do is, if you're buy and hold, which is most of you guys, go after realtors who have listings that's been on the market for 40 days or more. It's a ton of them, y'all. There's a ton of them. 40 days or more. This should be a, what time is it? 10:27. Okay, let me help you with this. This should be a part of your business, working on your business. You should spend minimum, I'm just gonna boil it down to I don't even know what number to boil it down to. Let's just say you are the most unorganized real estate agent on the planet. If you want to make 6 figures, you should spend 1 hour a week doing this. 1 hour a week. What should you be doing? Or if you have a VA, like I do, 15 of them, you should have you or your VA go sort your FMLS and MLS database by homes that have been on the market for 40 days or more. And all you will you will call real estate agents and you will say, hey, this is Anthony Thornton from EXP Realty. Best real estate company on the planet, by the way. I see you had your home on the market for over 40 days. Would your seller be open to taking a cash offer of somewhere between 70 to 85% of market value? Help y'all. Right, okay. Here it is right here, 70 to 85% of market value. Well, I don't know, Anthony, but I'm about to get fired, so just send me an offer. Okay, great. And you send them an offer. What will you send them an offer at? 70% of market value. Right? And then you write in special steps on the offer. Purchase price could equal 70 to 85% of market value. That's all. But you send them an offer at 70%. It's not binding. They go, yes, I'm interested. Okay, great. Then you guys know all the paperwork, to answer Jill's question earlier. All the paperwork's in here, Jill. All I can do is click up here. All the paperwork on how to submit a property is right in here. That's all you gotta do, right? It's all in here. And the downloads, it's all right here. All the paperwork's here to send them, right? It's 3 documents. Okay. So in Georgia, Metro Atlanta, this Home Go LLC, because I send them a ton of business, they basically do every single county in the whole dang state. So you guys, it doesn't matter where you are. You guys in Jacksonville, you don't have to just do Duval County, right? You got a license in Florida. You guys realize that. You could be all over the state of Florida putting in express offers because you're licensed in the whole state of Florida. This is Florida, guys. Look at all this. This is unreal.
And HomeGo is really good. I know the agent that referred them. So
yeah, okay, yeah, absolutely. These guys are doing up to 1.2 million. All right, that's just a side note. Trying to help you. All right, who likes my training? Give me 2 hands in the air. Come on, y'all, get me up, because I come every 2 weeks, so I'll be fresh for y'all. I'll be fresh. That 1 week was wearing me out. Once a week was wearing me out. Thank you, Juanita. Right. Hallelujah. All right, it was wearing me out. I was losing my mojo.